All right, lift on 3. 1, 2.
Got it. Watch your side.
Okay, bringing it in.
Connection secure.
Systems check complete, ready for launch.
Crane is engaging. Stand clear of the deck.
This is insane.
Are you getting this?
Yeah, I'm recording it right now. Look at the barnacles on it.
All teams, begin the slow hoist. Keep her steady.
Rope secure. Moving forward now. The wireframe scan confirms the stress fractures near the connector.
What is the delta compared to the G700 baseline?
It is significant. We need a level 3 inspection.
Expect 299 newton meters. Coming up. Copy. Holding the line steady. 3, 2, there. Torque achieved. Lock. Fuel line seated. Ready for the pressure
Laser
test.
sweeps clean across all blades.
Good. We'll button it up after the run. Reading's holding at 345 newton meters.
Copy that. Harness is almost locked in.
I'll give it one more pass.
Looks good from back here.
Torque confirmed. We're set.
Alignment grid shows green. Proceeding with sequence.
Copy that.
Initiating final torque on bolts now.
Shifting the data line above the power bundle.
Copy. Laser's reading 32.6 millimeters.
That's right on spec.
I'll lock it there.
Good to go.
Stain's coming out nicely. Another pass and it should be uniform.
Windows clear now. You can see straight into the hangar.
Perfect. I'll finish the armrest, then we're ready for inspection.
Looks like a brand new cabin again.
It's coming up like a mirror.
Marshal, brakes released, ready for push.
Copy.
Brakes released, you are clear, straight back.
Rolling. Nice and steady. Keep it coming. 10 more feet to the line. Roger that. And stop.
Set brakes. Brakes set, tug in neutral.
Tower set, engine stabilized.